consider this as a battery, and when current starts coming from here from the battery, and when current comes here at this point, this current whatever entering in the circuit at this point, this current will be divided into two parts, that is here in this part and in this resistor. So at this point current is dividing into two parts. That is why when current is divided, then those resistors will be in parallel. Here at this point whatever the current is entering, that is dividing into in this resistor and in this resistor. That is why whenever current is dividing, then those two resistors will be in parallel. That is why this 3 ohms resistor will be in parallel with these resistors, with these two resistors. Now coming to these two resistors, whatever the current entered in this resistor, the same amount of current will be entering in the resistor of 2 ohms. Whatever the current entered in this resistor, same current will flow in this resistor of 2 ohms resistance. That is why 1 ohm resistor and 2 ohm resistor, these two are in series. So hence we can replace 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistor with a net resistance, that is 1 plus 2, 3 ohms. Since 1 ohm whatever the current is entering in 1 ohm resistor, the same amount of current will enter into the 2 ohms resistor, because here there is no other wire, only one wire is there at this point. Whatever the current is coming in this wire, the same amount of current should flow in this wire. There is no another wire. That is why, since same current is flowing, these two resistors will be 1 ohm and 2 ohms will be in series connection. That is why I am replacing these two resistors with single resistor of net resistance 1 plus 2, that is 3 ohms, and 3 ohms here, and bottom we have another 3 ohms. This is, now these two are connected to the battery here. Now whatever the current is entering, like this, like in the case of previous, whatever the current is entering at this point, this current, some of the current will go down, that is in 3 ohms resistor, and some of the current will go up, and those two combination of resistors we replace with a single resistor with resistance 3 ohms. Now these 3 ohms and 3 ohms, these two are in parallel connection because current is divided here. When current is divided, resistors will be in parallel connection. That is why 3 and 3 are in parallel connection. When these two resistors are in parallel connection, then net resistance is given by R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Hence answer will be 1.5 ohms. I think it's clear.